Good evening, everyone. I'm Prashant, and I lead the public finance management practice at the eGov Foundation. Now, when we talk about digital public infrastructure for public finance, we are really talking about the foundations that make public spending observable, efficient, and accountable across all levels of government. DPI provides the core rails of identity, payments, and data exchange upon which diverse public finance functions like budgeting, fund flow, procurement, audit, and so on can work in sync. Think of it as the common infrastructure that allows governments, agencies, and partners to link spending to service delivery outcomes, to pay people and vendors on time and securely, to coordinate across ministries and levels of government, to make data driven decisions about resource allocation, and to enable innovation across the wider ecosystem of markets and civil society, all in real time. So it's not one platform or software, but a set of digital rails, standards, and governance mechanisms that enable money, data, and decisions to move seamlessly across the public service delivery system. When we say DPI for PFM, it essentially means that it is open and interoperable, it is modular, they are governed as public goods, they are ecosystem enablers, and finally, they are trusted and drive accountability. Hence, PFM systems should be built on shared data standards and APIs so different systems can talk to each other. They should be modular so governments can plug in new modules or replace old ones without rebuilding the whole stack. They should be stewarded in the public interest. They should allow private and civic innovators to build services on top of government infrastructure, such as analytics or citizen facing apps. And finally, they should be designed with auditability and transparency by default. Ultimately, it's about building trust and accountability into how public money flows so that frontline workers, citizens, and governments all benefit. In that sense, a DPI for public finance isn't just a technology project. It is a way of reimagining how the state works through shared digital infrastructure, open standards, and collective stewardship. Let me share an example of how the DPI approach for PFM is playing out in India. The Integrated Fiscal Information Exchange, IFIX data standards, is helping governments expedite funds to the front line under an urban livelihood program. By integrating with national DPI components like Aadhaar for identity and UPI for payments, funds reach workers seamlessly and on time. State agencies and market actors can build new solutions on top of the same rails through the reusable building blocks available. So they avoid silos, they actually end up strengthening the PFM ecosystem in the process. That's what brings us to this conversation, how we make those foundations real together. The next step in this journey is the development of DPI enabled PFM specifications. These will guide how modular, interoperable financial systems can take shape. And as we embark on this journey, we welcome your consultation and collaboration in this effort. Thank you very much.